up, guys? Super K Sharpening. I'm back with another video. Right now we got the KME out. I've been waiting on sharpening this guy for a while. This is a Victorinox. I want to say it's the Huntsman. Let me verify that. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's like the Spartan Huntsman. I think I have it here pulled up. Let me see. Yep, the Huntsman. Way cool knife. My dad gave me one just like it that he had as a kid, has his initials on it, that I still have to this day. So this one is pretty special because it reminds me a lot of that one. It's way cool though. It's not really see-through, but it's got like a translucent handle to where you can kind of see the like parts of it. Really cool little knife. But anyway, I'm going to put a really nice edge on it. This one I sometimes keep on my keychain. Even though it is a fairly thicker knife, I still enjoy it on there. Let's hop right into it. I got the 140 set up here. This is such a cool little knife. There's so many implements on it that are really good for just day-to-day function. You got two blades. I'm probably only going to sharpen one in the video. You got your bottle opener, scissors, corkscrew, awl, a parcel hook, all kinds of really cool stuff on here. Do about pretty much anything with this thing. And I've been waiting to sharpen it. I'm excited to finally be able to have the opportunity to sharpen this guy. I will say one thing about Victorinox knives that I've noticed is when you get an edge on them, man, do they stay sharp. These things get so sharp. Man. Like I have another Victorinox that I'm going to do a video on. And that thing, I know it's going to get super sharp. Such a cool company. Alright, so we got a burr on both sides for the full length of the blade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 140 grit stone, and I'm going to remove that burr with super light strokes. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to switch to the 300 grit. So I got my Wicked Edge Allen key out, and I found that it really keeps these stones secure, and you really don't even have to tighten it that much. In the video, I have my Wicked Edge stone literally fell off. It was the craziest thing. I've never had that happen. The 600 grit stone, just while I was sharpening, just literally detached itself from the handle. Haven't done anything special to it. I gotta glue it back, but I've never had that happen. Crazy stuff. I'm really disappointed with that. I mean, it's not broken, but it's a bummer because now that kind of hinders sharpening. Granted, I do have another set, or I guess that's considered a set, of 600 grit stones that I can use, but just a bummer. And I am going to sharpen both these blades. I probably just won't do it on camera. I like to keep these videos short sometimes for you guys, but this is the one with the 2 blades. It's got this little blade over here too. There you go. Got the small blade and then the bigger blade. Cool little knife. Alright, now we're going to move on to the 600 grit. And for this one, I think I'm just going to use my leather straps that I have over here. I don't really feel like going through the entire progression with the films. I mean, granted, it would be a better edge, but I do use this one a lot, and I don't want to have to, well, it wouldn't be resharpening it a bunch, but I don't want to put some beautiful edge on it for a knife that I'm going to use a whole lot. This one I use a lot at work, and I cut boxes with it sometimes. This is what I was talking about with pin knife jaws that you can get separate with the KME. These things are fantastic. They're very inexpensive. I think these are like $20, and it allows you to sharpen things like this. The smaller blade knives, it's awesome. Highly recommend it. And that's what I was telling you guys about. This thing is really sharp. I didn't expect anything less, but man, these things take an edge really, really well. Alright, so from here, we're going to go to the 1500. That looks really nice. Ooh, that's got a good edge on there. So what we're going to do, we'll finish it out with the 1500 here. Just remove that burr. And then I'm going to do the strops, the leather strops. So this one, this strop has 0.25 micron emulsion on it. I don't remember what that translates to in grit size. Then we're going to move on to my next strop. We'll probably stop here. This one's 0.125 micron. Very sharp. there you have it, guys. This one is ready to go. Get out the clamp here, take a little gander. Oh yeah. And you can kind of see the edge up there towards my thumb. It's got a nice shine to it. And that is sharp. Woo. Anyway, guys, I'm Super K Sharpening. Thanks for watching, as always. Stay safe, stay sharp. Let's take this up to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm shaving my beard. I'm going to do it for you guys. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. See you next time.